Most poisonous animals are not necessarily the ones with the deadliest jaws or the sharpest claws. In fact, the most lethal creatures on Earth are often quite small and unassuming. Poison dart frogs, for example, are only a few inches long, but their skin contains enough potent toxins to kill several humans. Similarly, the box jellyfish is tiny and translucent, but its venom can induce heart failure within minutes. And while the venom of the cone snail may seem harmless, it contains a cocktail of peptides that can paralyze and kill its prey. These seemingly harmless creatures are a reminder that sometimes, it's the quietest and smallest of animals that you need to fear the most. Number 1. Funnel web. Funnel web spiders are one of the highly venomous spiders found in Australian territories. They are commonly found in eastern and southeastern parts of the country, particularly in New South Wales, Queensland, and Victoria. Funnel web spiders are named after the shape of their web, which resembles a funnel. These spiders are highly aggressive and can bite when cornered, causing severe pain and sometimes death. Therefore, it is advisable to be cautious when dealing with funnel web spiders. If you encounter one, it is recommended to contact professional pest control services for safe removal. It is also vital to educate yourself and your family about the dangers of these spiders and how to avoid them. Number 2. Indian red scorpion. The Indian red scorpion, also known as the Mumbai or Eastern Indian scorpion, is widely considered one of the most dangerous scorpion species in the world. Found predominantly throughout India, these venomous arachnids can be responsible for over 10,000 deaths annually. Their venom contains a complex cocktail of toxins, including neurotoxins and possibly cardiotonic peptides, which can cause a range of physiological effects including paralysis, seizures, and even fatality in severe cases. Despite the danger they pose, the venom of the Indian red scorpion has also been studied for its medicinal properties and potential therapeutic applications. Researchers have discovered that certain components of the venom could be used to develop painkillers, drugs to treat hypertension and tumors, and even antimalarial drugs. However, there is still much to learn about these fascinating creatures and their venom before these potential treatments can become widespread. Number 3. Inland taipan. The inland taipan, also known as the fear snake, is considered one of the most venomous snakes in the world. This species can be found in the arid regions of Australia and is rare to encounter in the wild due to its elusive nature. Despite being known as the most venomous snake, there have been no recorded human fatalities caused by this species due to the development of an antivenom. Nevertheless, it is still important to exercise caution and respect when in the presence of any venomous snakes, as their bites can still cause severe harm or death. The inland taipan serves as a reminder of the importance of respecting and protecting the delicate ecosystem within which these species reside. Number 4. Box jellyfish. Box jellyfish is one of the deadliest creatures in the world that lurks in the waters of the Indo-Pacific region. These jellyfish are transparent and shaped like a cube, with up to 15 tentacles that can grow up to 10 feet long. Each tentacle is covered in thousands of tiny venomous needles capable of releasing toxins that can cause intense pain, heart failure, and even death. Despite their deadly reputation, they are also fascinating creatures with complex nervous systems and eyes that allow them to see shapes and detect light. Box jellyfish serve as a reminder of the importance of understanding and respecting the ocean's power and the creatures that inhabit it. Number 5. Hooded pitohui. The hooded pitohui is a striking bird found in Papua New Guinea that is known for its vibrant orange and black coloration. However, it's not just its appearance that makes this bird notable. The hooded pitohui is actually the only known bird to produce a potent neurotoxin called homobatrachotoxin, which it secretes from its skin and feathers. This toxin is so powerful that it can cause numbness, tingling, and even paralysis in humans who come into contact with it. Despite its toxicity, the hooded pitohui has evolved a unique resistance to the toxin, which enables it to use it as a defense mechanism against predators. As scientists continue to study this unusual bird, there's no doubt that more fascinating discoveries about its biology and behavior will be uncovered. When it comes to deadly and poisonous animals, it's always fascinating to discover what nature has in store for us. So, what are the most poisonous animals in the world? Well, there's the box jellyfish, whose tentacles can kill a human in just a few minutes. The inland taipan, also known as the fear snake, has venom that is 50 times more potent than that of a cobra. And let's not forget the poison dart frog, which secretes a toxin that can cause paralysis and death in humans. These are just a few examples of the deadly animals that inhabit our world, and it's worth being aware of them to prevent any unwanted run-in.